So we need to create our routing decisions for RFRT1000 dash your identification number 2. So I'm going to click on CH01 create, and that takes me to creating routings. And instead of 2000, I'm going to create RFRT1000 dash 222. So this, and DR00, just delete this group number because it is not required at this moment, and go to maybe just hit enter. Then you go to the next step, and you are going to do the same thing for this, and everything will be the same except for the product information. So we have to do this. So first, let's say the usage is 1, production, overall status is 4, released, and then I want to go to operation, and here we have to enter all the data. So the steps are the same, right? So the components are different, but the steps that go through are the same. So ASSY 1000. I encourage to just go by row rather than by column. And then the count is ASSY, and the description is material staging, and the same here, ASSY 1000, ASSY, and attach it to frame. So I have, SAP remembered what that is. Attach handle, attach derailer. So I'm using the automatic filling, and attach front and rear. It's forward 1. Attach brakes 7. And then attach pedals, and then we have to inspect 1000, steel assembly, and test bike. Then packaging 1000, steel assembly controller, and disassemble. And package 1000, pack the bike, and last step is pack again, assemble, and move to storage. Right, so you have to enter that, and then you go to, so scroll to your right, and we have to just click on material staging first, so double click on it, and you are on there, and we're going to use the same information that we used for RFRT 2000. So it's a 3 minutes, and the label was 10 minutes for staging, if I remember correctly. Okay, and then maybe I am not sure here. Go back. Or I can go back there. Okay, so I could go back there, and it says setup is 3 minutes, and then labor is 10 minutes. So I'm going to just follow that. 1 minute and 2 minutes, and 1 minute and 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 5 minutes. Fifth step, 2 minutes and 5 minutes. Yeah, I think I have made a mistake. So 3:10, 1, 2, 1, 1. It should be 1, 1. So this should be 1, 1, rather than 1, 2. Okay? And 1, 2, that's good. And fourth step is 1, 2. 1, 2. And fifth step is 2, 5. That's good. Sixth step is 1, 2. Seventh step, 1, 2. And the rest of them are just labor time 5 minutes. And if you have done that, now what you can do is you can go to component allocation, and the first 8 of them, I think, you can assign them, and that's 10, and hit enter. So you assign them to activity 10, and go to the second thing, new assignment, and it's going to be 100, and you assign it them and hit save. Then you have done the work for RFRT1000-222. Then you are done with routing decision.